Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to trade on DSJ Exchange. Trading on DSJ Exchange might look simple, but if you don't understand what each button actually does, you're just guessing with real money. Unlike normal investing, trading involves timing, direction, and execution. One wrong click, wrong amount, wrong timing, or wrong direction, and you can lose instantly. Open the DSJ Exchange app and log into your account. On the main screen, click Futures. This is where active trading happens and is often linked to signals or time trades. Inside the Futures section, click Invited Me. This is used to enter trade signals that connects you to specific trade setups. Then paste or type the order code provided to you. Then click Confirm. The code loads a predefined trade and saves time as well as manual errors. You can tap the green call button. This button suggests that you're predicting the price will go UP. You'll now fill in amount, that's how much you're trading, and the time, which is when the trade will execute or expire. Then click call. Alternative would be to tap the red out button. This button suggests you're predicting the price will go down. Just like before, enter the amount and select the time. Then confirm the trade by clicking Put. You can track trades under Position Order, which shows active trades, as well as pending ones, and Historical Order, which show completed trades. This is how you track performance. You're predicting the price direction, choosing a time window, and risking a fixed amount. This is closer to short-term speculation than traditional investing. To summarize, trading on DSJ Exchange involves going to Futures, accessing the Invited section, entering an order code or using call, put options, setting your amount and timing, and tracking your trades under different order tabs. Your main decision is predicting whether the price goes up or down. And that's how to trade on DSJ Exchange. The steps are simple, but the consequences are not. Don't let the easy interface trick you. This is real money, real risk. Focus on understanding what you're doing, not just copying actions. Start small, stay disciplined, and always think before you trade. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys liked this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.